Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find wallet address on ImToken's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To find your wallet address on ImToken account, firstly go ahead and launch open your ImToken application. The home page of ImToken application will appear on the screen. Tap on network and choose any network of you'd like to find the wallet address and tap on it. After you're done, click on receive option. You can see the wallet address displayed on the screen. You can also scan the wallet address, share it, or either copy it as well. This is how you can find wallet address on ImToken application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.